Buongiorno a tutti, è un piacere averci così numerosi. Mi chiamo Gigi e sono la responsabile del mercato italiano. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Yealink and Microsoft joint webinar today, The Future of Work Yealink Video Solution for Microsoft Teams. I'm pleasure to have you all join us, and along with Microsoft Italy team. And please allow me to introduce today our guest speaker from the Microsoft part. We have Kurt Peterson, the GM of a global device partner in the Microsoft, and Sebastian Tura, the partner technical consultant for the Microsoft Italy. Sebastian, would you like to introduce yourself?
For the Italian market. Today we will have a quick session in Italian, I would say, for you guys. So I'm happy and can't wait to show you what Microsoft offers you today and of course tomorrow. Gigi, back to you.
Grazie, Sebastian, for joining us today. Okay, so glad to have you all on board. Let's take a sip of your espresso and get started. For today's agenda, we will go through the Yealink and Microsoft partnership. Then we'll have some minutes from the Sebastian to share with us the challenge and insights of current hybrid workplace. Later on, I will briefing on the Yealink's video solution on Microsoft Teams on Android and on the Windows operation system. Last but not the least, we will share the partner program to share you the best offer in the latest demos. Don't forget, among the webinar, we have several rounds of the lucky draw. And how to join the lucky draw and Q&A session, please type in your question or put on the answer to the question, and my team will collect the answers afterwards. Let's get started from Microsoft partnership. So Yealink has been a global unified communications and collaboration solution provider since 2001. Within the past 20 years, we have grown rapidly and have gone public with a market value of over $10 billion. Since 2018, Yealink is the top one SIP phone provider, and by today, we have covered more than 140 countries and districts business. Our relation with Microsoft has been concrete and solid since 2015, and we witnessed the growth from the Link to Skype for Business, and today is the full migration from the Skype for Business to the Teams. And some milestones we have achieved by joint efforts, such as we have the #1 Microsoft Teams Room OEM year-on-year growth, #1 full-range Teams certified solutions, and #1 Microsoft Teams phone market share, and this applies in Italy market as well. Thanks to our transport partners who help us realize the rapid business growth in different market and vertical sectors. So we have been honored to serve many popular entities, as you could refer some famous names here, coming from vertical markets such as healthcare, education, energy, transportation. And in Italy, of course, we have some known brands such as Team, Fastwell, Bulgari, Leonardo, and a lot of public administrations. As a one-stop solution provider, Yealink is offering the most comprehensive product line, including all the unified communication and collaboration devices. Managed by one vendor could help you save the end user's budget and management efforts. Among the key players in UC market, most of them only offer partial of the solution in UC. However, we could cover every corner of the user scenarios. The hybrid unified communication demand, either in business, such as the phone, text phones, video conference room solution, to the personal devices like USB headset, DAC headset, webcam. We are always well covered this portfolio. At the same time, Yealink always leading on the innovations, so offering the unique solutions such as the first collaboration bar, the AI speakerphone, room panel, and the first video conference phone. And thanks to Microsoft headquarters' strong support, among the year of Yealink's 20th anniversary, we are pleased to receive the welcoming speech from Kurt. So what does Kurt like to share with Microsoft and Yealink partner? Let's have a look.
Hello, everyone. I'm Kurt Peterson, and I lead the Global Device Partner team here at Microsoft. Since 2015, Microsoft and Yealink have had a strong partnership in creating Microsoft Teams certified devices that provide unique and meaningful customer experiences. I'm really proud to say that over this past year, Yealink has been one of our fastest growing partners in the Teams room space. Now more than ever, ubiquitous communications through hardware and software that work seamlessly together is critical in how we work today. In the hybrid work scenarios of the post-pandemic world, Yealink's Teams Rooms devices will empower collaboration between virtual participants and in-room participants seamlessly. Yealink offers a full end-to-end Teams device experience from Teams Rooms, Teams Phones, and Teams personal devices, including headsets, webcams, and speakers. Yealink's unique Microsoft Teams Rooms devices are quickly becoming business essentials.
Okay, so glad to have Kurt's opening speech for Yealink. With Johnson and Moderna vaccination covered in Italy, how does Microsoft Teams grow in the new norms, and what will be the market trends for the hybrid work environment? Sebastian, we expect to hear from you the market insight. Ciao, Sebastian.
Hello, hi there. I'm just trying to share my screen. Sorry for any inconvenience for now. Please, guys, let me know if you can see my screen. And actually, since Gigi told me you guys are from Italy, and I'm covering Italian market, of course, I would suggest to switch it to your native language. So, ciao a tutti, benvenuti a questa sessione. Sono Sebastian, come abbiamo parlato anche nell'introduzione. Sono un partner technical consultant. Tanti di voi che magari hanno un partnership direttamente con Microsoft, un partnership Silver o Gold, e hanno avuto necessità di supporto del tipo pre-sales. Da Microsoft sicuramente mi conoscono. Per quelli che non mi conoscono, questo è il servizio che io e il mio team offriamo. Come dicevo, per quei partner Microsoft che hanno una sottoscrizione Silver, Gold o Maps, noi come team offriamo questo servizio di pre-sales gratuito, soprattutto per voi, e naturalmente lo scopo, anzi il nostro scopo finale è aiutarvi a crescere anche dal punto di vista tecnico, ma anche da quello commerciale. Insieme a me, oggi avremo un piccolo slot, diciamo, di una decina di minuti, dove guarderemo dei hint, degli insight magari di quello che rappresentano i meeting ibridi in questo periodo, soprattutto di Covid, e naturalmente parlando di ambienti ibridi e diciamo la soluzione che in questo momento Microsoft e i suoi partner sta offrendo per rendere la collaborazione più, diciamo, umana. E quindi parleremo in particolare delle Teams Rooms. Queste praticamente sono progettate per fornire una scelta dal computer centrale ad ogni non so, periferica adesso collegata. Le nostre ricerche hanno mostrato che il lavoro svolto in modo ibrido sarà di più e di più usato, visto che abbiamo notato, insomma, da quando questo Covid è arrivato, abbiamo visto che lo smart working, quindi quello che rappresenta in questo momento il lavoro da casa, è cresciuto. Abbiamo notato che sicuramente anche quando il Covid non ci sarà più, questo lavoro, chiamiamolo ibrido, continuerà ad essere usato. In seguito a questa pandemia, noi, Microsoft, abbiamo investito tanto nel capire la necessità o magari la realtà, gli effetti ed il potenziale delle nuove situazioni lavorative, sia quelle da remoto che quelle ibride. Siamo quindi arrivati ad un sondaggio, siamo arrivati ad avere un sondaggio, magari conosciuto da tanti di voi, il Microsoft Work Trend Index, guidato ovviamente non da noi, ma da una società di ricerche indipendente esterna chiamata Edelman Data and Intelligence. I risultati sono stati spettacolari. L'idea principale è che il lavoro svolto in modo ibrido è qui, come vi dicevo, per rimanere. Abbiamo notato quindi che il 73% dei dipendenti vogliono opzioni di lavoro flessibile a distanza. Allo stesso tempo il 67% dei dipendenti vogliono lavorare di più face to face, quindi in un modo on-premise, nell'ufficio. Invece che ovviamente il lavoro da remoto. Naturalmente questo sta portando il 66% dei leader a livello globale a considerare la riprogettazione dello spazio degli uffici per il lavoro ibrido. Quindi il 66% dei leader a livello globale già stanno pensando di facilitare il lavoro sia di quei dipendenti che vogliono lavorare da casa, ma anche per quelli che vogliono arrivare in ufficio e vogliono praticamente alla fine rendere la vita molto più facile attraverso oltre alle licenze Teams Rooms che in questo momento Microsoft offre, ma anche tramite i dispositivi mobili, quindi tutta l'attrezzatura necessaria per avere una sala di questo tipo molto ben dotata con attrezzatura. E praticamente per noi come aziende è un momento incredibile per essere nell'industria tecnologica e specialmente per lavorare nelle comunicazioni, ma anche nella collaborazione. Naturalmente è anche un momento molto impegnativo. Penso che stiamo assistendo ad un cambiamento fondamentale nel modo in cui le persone possono pensare, anzi, al lavoro, ed è stato incredibile vedere quanto velocemente i clienti stanno cambiando le loro abitudini lavorative e come usano Microsoft Teams per farlo. Anche quando le attuali circostanze difficili saranno finite, come vi dicevo anche all'inizio, come ovviamente spero che lo sarà e avverrà più presto che tardi, pensiamo che tutto il lavoro che noi svolgeremo sarà, come dice anche il nostro CEO Satya, sempre ibrido. E anche se in questo momento il market esiste, quindi sappiamo che già anzi, l'esperienza, tra le virgolette, che abbiamo da quando stiamo tutti lavorando in un modo ibrido, ovvero in un modo smart working, sappiamo che tantissime riunioni che prima erano in ufficio, adesso vengono effettuate online. Tuttavia, tra più di 60 milioni di meeting room, in questo momento solo 6% hanno un utilizzo di device completo, nel senso che tra 60 milioni di meeting che esistono in questo momento nelle statistiche di Microsoft, solo il 6%, il quasi 6% in realtà, ha usato un'attrezzatura per rendere la collaborazione molto più efficace, molto più umana, se volete. E abbiamo notato che il 7% tra i 6,2 milioni di meeting room, facendo leva alle sale grandi, quindi le riunioni dove abbiamo più persone, esiste come operazione, quindi il 7% già hanno l'uso di tutta questa attrezzatura, mentre per le sale piccole e medie abbiamo dal 53,8 milioni di meeting solo il 5% di penetration. Quindi in questo momento opportunità ci sono e oltre alle opportunità, parlando a livello globale, abbiamo notato che dalle ultime risorse che esistono sulle piattaforme pubbliche, in Italia solo il 53% dei meeting includono il video. Quindi abbiamo visto già che il penetration rate è piccolo a livello globale. In Italia adesso è al 53% di tutte le videoconferenze registrate. Questo è un buon segno in qualche modo, però naturalmente esiste possibilità ed esiste spazio per aumentare questi numeri. Naturalmente, parlando di meeting e di attrezzatura e di quello che viene usato, noi come fornitore, diciamo, di soluzione, proponiamo il pacchetto completo, ed il pacchetto completo ovviamente non include solo la licenza e l'asset, non so, il PC magari, ma include tutto l'asset necessario per avere un'esperienza ricca, per avere un'interazione tra noi, tra colleghi, tra operatori e tutto questo ambiente molto ma molto più umana, perché alla fine di questo parliamo. Questo è quello che ci manca in questo momento. E quindi vi dicevo, lo step by step è semplice: ci acquistiamo i device, le licenze necessarie. Qui dobbiamo fare tantissima attenzione, perché esistono tante confusioni che vengono fatte tra l'uso della licenza e l'attrezzatura. Personalmente, lavorando in Microsoft con tanti partner che offrono soluzioni di questo tipo, ho trovato, ho sentito anzi, tantissimi casi dove magari i clienti avevano l'attrezzatura giusta ma non il licensing necessario, o anzi il licensing corretto, e a quel punto dal nostro punto di vista, e ovviamente basandoci sui servizi che offriamo, è umane e naturale ed è suggerito contattare noi o un partner come in questo momento stiamo presentando. Quindi sì, possiamo scegliere le impostazioni corrette, e non solo le impostazioni, l'attrezzatura e non so, il licensing corretto, ma visto che parliamo di un mondo con tante difficoltà in questo periodo, dobbiamo provare, almeno se non riusciamo, di offrire anche un servizio, non solo il dispositivo e la licenza, ma anche il servizio pre-sales, il servizio deployment e post-sales. Qua possiamo, diciamo, aiutare i clienti, e aiutando i nostri clienti naturalmente ci aiutiamo noi soprattutto. Poi, oltre a questo, parliamo di equilibrio, che in realtà in questo momento è una parola che sentiamo sempre quando si parla di questa nuova realtà lavorativa. Bilanciare lavoro e vita, bilanciare, non so, le distrazioni, i rischi di sicurezza, i bilanci, il business e tutta questa cosa ci porta tutti ad avere una confusione. E in un mondo pieno di confusione può essere molto ma molto difficile trovare il giusto equilibrio. I dipendenti magari si pongono nuove domande da una nuova prospettiva, del tipo, non so, come mi sento nella stanza quando non ci sono, da cosa non so, trarrei beneficio se fossi nella stanza, tutte domande di questo tipo. I manager anche loro si pongono altre domande, non so, magari come posso fare per far sentire a tutti che possono contribuire, come posso fare per farli sentire inclusi, e tutto un cumulo di domande di questo tipo. E poi ne parliamo anche a livello organizzativo più ampio, dove abbiamo, non so, dirigenti che vogliono sapere se i dipendenti si sentono ancora parte della squadra quando saranno, non so, raramente in ufficio. Tutta una serie di domande che alla fine ci porta sempre qua. Troviamo e vediamo che la realtà di questo momento è abbastanza difficile, e tutto ha una soluzione. La soluzione praticamente per gli spazi di riunione giocano un ruolo vitale nel facilitare la collaborazione, e molti dei sistemi di sale di oggi offrono capacità di base progettate principalmente per le persone che sono fisicamente presenti. Troppo spesso i partecipanti remoti si sentono come se fossero fuori guardando dentro, quindi come vi parlavo prima esistono tanti di questi dubbi. Bene, la soluzione, come vi dicevo, esiste, che non è solo a portata di mano, ma è anche inclusiva, facile da usare, flessibile e naturalmente sicura e gestibile in un modo sicuro. E qua, parlando di tutti questi 4 topic principali, vorrei sinceramente andare a fare un approfondimento sulla flessibilità e la sicurezza, perché dal nostro punto di vista in questo periodo relativamente pesante, la flessibilità e la sicurezza sono principalmente anzi sono le le funzionalità principali. E come vi dicevo, nel momento in quale abbiamo una soluzione di questo tipo da implementare, parliamo di Teams Rooms con setup, possiamo vedere che è disponibile per tutte le dimensioni, quindi non abbiamo bisogno di una grandissima sala o di una semplice sala riunioni, ma possiamo avere un semplice ufficio con 3-4 sedie, ma non so, una sala riunioni piccola e non grande. Quindi alla fine possiamo trovare il fatto che non abbiamo bisogno di avere un certo business pesante o grosso per implementare queste soluzioni, e nonostante questo fatto abbiamo visto che abbiamo diverse, diciamo, compatibilità con diversi tool, anzi diverse piattaforme, diversi hardware all in one, ma anche diversi prodotti che Microsoft ha del tipo Surface Hub. E non solo, abbiamo anche integrato queste funzionalità, questi strumenti, diciamo, anche per le piattaforme Android e piattaforme Windows. Quindi possiamo fare tutto questo asset in un all-in-one, quindi tutto in un singolo PC, oppure possiamo farlo con un'esperienza più ricca, con tutta una serie di diciamo, di device, di soluzioni che magari ci possono rendere la collaborazione più umane, perché ripeto, di questo parliamo. E abbiamo detto che anche la sicurezza qua è fondamentale. Dal mio punto di vista, e anzi dal nostro punto di vista come Microsoft, la sicurezza è fondamentale. Microsoft offre diverse opzioni per gestire i dispositivi Teams, in Microsoft Teams, in modo che la tua organizzazione possa scegliere ciò che funziona meglio per te. Puoi scegliere magari di assumerti la gestione da solo, quindi fai tutto te. Puoi delegare se non l'accesso alla gestione ad un certo partner, oppure puoi semplicemente passare la responsabilità a Microsoft, a noi, e far gestire al nostro team i dispositivi Teams Rooms per il tuo controllo. Quindi la sicurezza che tu vuoi avere nella tua azienda dipende solo da te e esplicitamente da te. E naturalmente tutti i dispositivi di Microsoft Teams sono certificati attraverso un rigoroso processo di test gestito da laboratori indipendenti di terze parti, comprese le soluzioni per il monitoraggio sicuro, le slot di blocco di sicurezza, l'avvio sicuro e le misure di sicurezza della porta I/O. Naturalmente quello che vogliamo avere il Teams Admin Center, quindi non solo un'esperienza nostra dal punto di vista, non so, end user, ma anche per il nostro amministratore, basandoci sulla sicurezza che Microsoft offre, visto che Teams è un prodotto che viene offerto in un pacchetto, quindi Microsoft 365, le Teams Room anche loro hanno il beneficio dello stesso bridge di sicurezza che Microsoft quindi come prodotto ti offre. Quindi, ripeto, dal nostro punto di vista, per la collaborazione in questo senso, noi ti suggeriamo di usare tutto questo cumulo di pacchetti, di prodotti magari che abbiamo e offriamo noi insieme ai partner, e abbiamo la garanzia che tutto starà e verrà usato esattamente come voi avete bisogno e come volete voi configurarle. Questo è tutto da parte mia, vi ringrazio tanto per la pazienza. Switching back to English, Gigi, you have the mic. Thank you.
Grazie mille, Sebastian. And now let's take a dive deeply to explore how Yealink Microsoft video conference device to comply with the Microsoft Teams and the cloud service. Okay. For Microsoft Teams Room solution on Android, we offer the collaboration bar A20 covering for small meeting room, 3 to 6 people. And for A30, we use for the medium-sized meeting room up to 12 people. And based on the user demand, you could choose the Teams or Teams Plus BYOD package accordingly. Come and enjoy an immersive experience on our collaboration bar. Okay, so here we have a review on how the collaboration bar in the office scenario. So here you may get asked, why choose Yealink Teams Room on the Android system? So start from the easy to deploy. No cable is required crossing the TV and the desktop area. It will help saving the pre-sales and project team efforts. And let's have a see how easy to install Yealink collaboration bar. With all the cables and accessories already included in our package, just 3 steps to set it up. Within half a minute, it's done. Okay, intelligent video meetings, it will supported by our auto framing and speaker tracking. So our collaboration bar could share the frame and captures everyone in detail if you set in the touch panel, the auto framing mode. And if you select into the speaker tracking, then the camera will automatically to zoom in the specific speaker, so giving the best framing for the presenter. BYOD meeting solution is also shared on our Teams meeting rooms. So beside the one-click on touch panel, join WebEx meeting developed by Microsoft, Yealink Video Solution could also support the flexible platform by adopting Bring Your Own Device box, the VCH51. And Yealink do provide very unique wireless meeting experience, such as the wireless dongle, just plug and play for the content sharing. And also enjoyed by the wireless microphone CPW90, so you can guarantee the clean table layout and the voice pickup in distance. Here, I'd like to share you guys on our live demonstration.
Hello guys, thanks for joining. Today we'll be introducing the Yealink Microsoft Teams Room on Android. Before we get started, I would like to share some of the keywords of the solutions. Android-based, native Teams, and all-in-one device. It is very easy to deploy, very easy to use, and it supports the AI features like auto framing and speaker tracking. Now let's get started. Before we go to the details, I would like to point out the main differences between 820 and 830. The 820 is designed for the huddle space and small size meeting rooms, while the 830 is designed for the medium-sized rooms. Compared with 820, 830 built in with dual eye camera, one for detection and the other one for the video output. This can ensure the video quality in a larger room with more people. Here you can see all the items in the box. We already provide everything you need to set up the meeting room, even a wall mount just in case you want to mount the touch panel on wall. So you don't need to purchase any additional items to set up the room. How easy to deploy the device is always one of the key factors when people are evaluating a meeting room solutions. So here I would like to go through how we can easily set up Yealink 830 as an example. Let's first take a look at the interfaces of the bar. We have a DC port here to support the power, and we have 2 HDMI ports to support the dual display, and we have an Internet port for the network. Both of 820 and 830 support the Wi-Fi feature, but we do recommend the customer to use the wired network in consideration of a more stable network during the meeting. Besides, we have a VCH port here for the functionalities like the wired content sharing, and if the customer is looking for any external audio solutions, this is where to connect the external mic. There are 2 USB ports on the side of the 830, one on 820. This is where to pair with the Yealink Wireless Presentation Pod WPP20 and connect to any external mouse, keyboard, and touch display. Now, let's talk about the camera of the bar. One of the differences between Yealink meeting bar and others is the lens cap. While the camera is in use, the lens cap will open. And if the meeting ends or the camera is not in use, the lens cap will be closed automatically. So the user will make sure that they are not being watched. We can control the camera manually, or we can enable the AI features like auto framing and speaker tracking to increase the overall meeting experience. Let's see what happens if we enable the auto framing feature. As you can see, the AI camera will identify how many people in the room and find the best frame to include all the people. Let's test the scenario where more people come into the room during the meeting. Hi, Sherry, could you please come in? As you can see, the camera reacts quickly when the condition changed in the room. Let's see what happens if we change the camera mode to speaker tracking. The camera supports the voice print recognition. That's say, if I keep speaking during the meeting, the camera will know I'm the speaker and zoom into me. If other people start speaking, the camera will quick react and zoom into them as well. Hey, Aaron, say something.
Okay, my turn to speak now. Well, you may notice that the camera could easily recognize my voice and focus on me. It definitely would be helpful in different scenarios. This is just a simple test about our smart camera of meeting bar. Put it in a real situation, for instance, only few people participating in the meeting. Auto framing could totally satisfy the needs. As for meeting with more people, the speaker tracking feature ensures the camera focus on the presenter, which would absolutely improve the meeting experience.
In this part, I would like to introduce the Yealink unique wireless content sharing solution by using the wireless presentation pod WPP20. By using WPP20, you can simply plug in the WPP20 into the PC and press the button to share the content wirelessly. This can be used during the meeting or locally. This will help people to present their content from anywhere in the meeting room. If there are many people in the room, people who sit at the far end of the room may not be seen clearly. In this situation, using the multi-focus framing feature, the camera will provide an individual frame to each person, and you will help the other side clearly seeing everyone's face in the room.
Okay, so besides the previous introduction on the portfolio product value, so I think we should discuss more on the commercial value. So Yealink is from commercial aspect, we are helping to achieve your success. So as we know, the project budget is always the key factor that end user always concerns. If we compare the global price for the collaboration bar in the key market like Poly and Logitech, we could help the end user to save up to 10 and 30% if we versus Logitech. So in these cases, we are guaranteed not only the unique product value is being delivered, but also helping the end user to guarantee their less spending on the capex. Okay, so here we come into the first round of the lucky draw. The first and the third correct answer will win Yealink webcam, the UVC 20. And are you ready? I will be count in 3, 2, 1. You could kindly just type in your answer in our friend chat, and our team will contact you afterwards. When did Yealink Microsoft start the partnership? I hope there are some good audiences here, not taking nap. Well, it's not this year for sure. Okay, so let's have a look on the Microsoft Teams Room solution on Windows. For video solution based on Windows operation system, the Yealink offers MVC series, so it's covering different sizes of meeting room, start from the huddle, medium, and to the extra large room that could respond to like training, auditorium, classroom demand. We can work 9 cameras working at the same time and city microphone as a combination. Okay, regarding the portfolio value, so start from the installation. For MVC series, you just need one Cat5e cable to connect between the TV to the table area. Unlike the traditional key player, we'll have to connect 4 to 5 cables and hubs. And we have the most flexible audio options, like you could choose the wireless microphone, wireless Wi-Fi microphone, the city microphone, and the traditional air raid microphone. The easy camera control could be best video quality sharing on our touch panel. I will share you in the live demo show later. The AI feature room system. I'd like to show you the 2 latest room accessories to empower the video conference experience. Let's start from the AI speaker. The Yealink M Speech is an intelligent AI speaker which could help you wake up Cortana, join the meeting, invite somebody to meeting, and most of all, the transcription at real time could be easily presented on the display. Let's have a look on the animation. So when the audience is sharing the speech, The transcription will automatically to be captured and appear on the display. In this way, it can help the multinational conference could be realized in the real-time transcription. On the other hand, we have the latest Yealink room panel. And for the room panel, we can help you on the room status checkup, meeting rooms booking, and the colorful LED light is indicated easily. Just by one glance, you can know the room status. Easy to deploy and management. Customer will always choose the very way to manage UC devices. So either the IT manager could choose the Microsoft Admins platform, or Yealink will have our own management platform to help you for like bulk upgradation, troubleshooting. For the extra large room solution, we recommend to use MVC 940, so it can support on the training room, classroom, and boardroom scenario, which could support up to 30 people. For example, we can combine the ceiling microphone up to 8 and combine with the multi-camera solution. In MVC 940, we can support 9 camera maximum working at the same time. Besides, for some specific vertical market like education and enterprise, we can use the UVC 30 content camera to help them achieve the major whiteboard scenario. So it allows a real-time whiteboard collaboration in the Teams meeting as well. Let's have a look directly from our live demonstration. So we are here now going to have a view on the preset camera view, just one click. You can manage all the presets via our touch panel. Why this is differentiated? Because in the market, the key traditional player like Logitech and Poly only using the remote to change the camera's position, and we are trying to guarantee a better video conference control experience. And now let's have a look on the dual camera and even multiple cameras working at the same time. And Yealink MVC 940 could support up to 9 cameras. Since our global demo room is putting on the 6 cameras, we'll just have a preview. So in this one, we will see the camera layout selection. You could choose your preferred layout and maybe put one of them in the zoom in preview. And here we also allow the PTZ camera control by the touch panel to go zoom in or zoom out. So with the touch panels for helping you to guarantee on the camera's management and preset, it will help provide a better video conference quality. Okay, let me summarize on the MVC series product value. So we offer the premium voice and video quality, and 1 Cat5e cable for easy setup, consistent Teams experience, just one click join in, and a wireless content sharing, wireless microphone, and also the remote device management can help you save a lot of budget and efforts during the after sales. Okay, so here we come in the second round of the lucky draw. The same rule will be shared, like the first and the third correct answer will win our UH36 USB headset. So I will going to share in 3, 2, 1. How many cameras can Yealink MVC 940 support? 7, 8, or 9? Okay, the early bird. Okay. That's we're moving into the commercial aspect. So in next phase, I would like to share you some partner profitability opportunity and programs. So why to be Yealink a partner? We're trying to offer the 360 degrees empowerment, start from the brand power as the top SIP phone vendor and Microsoft strategic partner. We already have a multiple global project to be deployed. And from the product capacity, we're offering the most comprehensive portfolio and share the unique product value. All necessary goods has been inclusive in the package. Technical empowerment. We value and we're trying to continuously to train your team's empowerment. So we have the quarterly product day, and we have this online certified engineer program for training and certification. For premium partner, we will share the dedicated training on our global demo room. Commercial added value. As the most cost-effective solution in the market, we are having a rapid growth market demand. And during the project opportunity, we could guarantee the margin by a healthy channel management and with the a series of marketing and sales support. We are creating and expanding your business potential. How to start cooperation with Yealink? So start from the device testing. You could share your preferred model for testing and select your preferred distributor to arrange the demo gear for that testing. In this way, you can understand better how our solution works. Number 2, you can go for the opportunity and training program. Yealink has the ORS portal. It's the opportunity registration system. So kindly open your account and register opportunity for protect your project and the benefits. The first in, first try. Secondly, you could have a assigned dedicated pre-sale manager for Yealink Microsoft Teams certified engineer. And in this way, we help you to be confident and professional in Yealink solution. Number 3, we will share the comprehensive support. Along with your uploading the Yealink solution as the full communication solution, we will always align with you to join for commercial and technical support. So just keep a project communication with us. We will help you to lock the chance. Okay, to share the first-hand knowledge for Yealink solution, I would like to share you that Yealink Italy, we have the latest program for our premium partners. So for collaboration bar, we have from the NFR program for demo trial. For limited quota, we have first in joint solution. And for the promotion resales purpose, Yealink have the promotion program up to 46% on the collaboration bar series based on the list price. So this promotion will be last until the end of the October. Limited quota and promotion is valid and with the limited time. Okay, thanks everyone for joining us for the whole contents. Here we get into the Q&A session. So should you have any question, please share with us. And later I will share some of the questions to share with the attendants today. Among the same time, I would be very grateful if you could have a kindly sign out on our follow-up survey and possibly to win the free demos gift. In this way, we can understand your demand and hopefully can help us to improve the live streaming performance and satisfying the customer services. So I'm gonna pick up some of the questions raised in the webinar. Let me have a check. Okay, I got it. So here I have the question. Can the MVC or A2830 system work with dual TV displays? Yeah, this is a great question. So yes, all of our MVC series, collaboration by A20 and A30, all can support the dual display. And here I got another one. Does the camera have a tracking feature that allow the presenters follow the presenter movement? Okay, should be a technician's question. So this is relevant to the camera's feature. By so far, Yealink's UVC40, A20, and A30 can support on the speaker tracking. And here I have a business-oriented question. Do you have any recommended solution for the training room use? Yes, we do support like large room and extra large room. We will recommend on the MVC 840, or if there are the multiple cameras or extra large room on the combination audio solution. So you can try our MVC 940. Okay, so I have these are the key question I see many people raise the same time. Okay, grazie everyone. I will spend some minutes to share my personal contact to get in touch with me. So grazie mille everyone. We thank you for your time, and please feel free to contact for further exchange. And I am in charge of the Italy Microsoft solution on Yealink, and this is my emails: gg@yealink.com, gg@yealink.com. Should you have any question either in the business, project, technical, please feel free to exchange with me. I sincerely thank you for your time today, and glad to meet Sebastian for your attendance today.